All right, so with an outlet, these are copper half-round outlets. The back of it has a seam, like a downspout, like anything that has a rounded edge. And we solder this so that if ice gets in here and it tries to, it backs up in the downspout, and ice gets in here, it'll try to expand as it freezes, and it'll break this seam. So that's why we solder the back of them first. So I'm gonna do that. If this thing's hot enough. And this solder is 1/4 pound bars, and 4 of them equal a pound. They are just a little bit easier to use than the bigger 1 pound or half pound or whatever they have. They're 50% tin and 50% lead, so that you can get lead poisoning and
fun
die
stuff
early and go crazy. Yeah, it's perfect.
You can go crazy with lead?
Yeah, it'd make you nuts. They used to make hats.
Oh, and that's what
They used to have
Mad Hat,
Mad Hatter.
yeah, Mad Hat Madness or something like that.
But they use a combination of lead in there, and I think mercury also is very toxic.
Also, when they try making
So
fuel more efficient in cars, that's when they started putting lead in it.
Now they're doing ethanol.
Ethanol, 10%
Which is
ethanol.
bullshit.
That's why in the past, like what, 50 years, people got more stupider.
Yeah. And then we face this towards the back, drop it in the hole. Drop it in that hole there.
That's what she said.
Drop it in. I like to use these sometimes, just gives me a little bit of don't want it too tight because it'll put a dent in the copper. And that's useless.
Hey, that's what I used to get called by my girlfriend.
Useless?
Useless! Fun times, man, fun times.
Joys of love.
Right?
And then this is the acid, and what I do is I'll tack one side, then I'll tack the other side in 4 corners. So I do the back, the 2 sides of the front, and it's basically just tacking it, just so it doesn't move from where I want it to be.
Primo Lucas!
I use the back of this because I don't like to hit it with a hammer. It puts dings in it. What I'm trying to do is flatten this down and get it as tight to the metal as possible so that it makes it easier for me to find goods. And then I'm going to tack the top. Take this section. And then I can take this clamp off. Add some of this. And in the wind, make sure it doesn't get in your eye. You put too much of this crap on, wherever you put it, the solder will want to adhere to, so you don't want to put too much on. Otherwise, you do a crappy job of soldering, it just won't stick. I usually start at the back side and work my way down, and the front side and work my way down, because gravity, things fall, so I want whatever solder is up top to fall down towards the bottom in excess, as opposed to if I start at the bottom, I can't bring it uphill. I can only go down. Well, I mean, it's hard to go uphill with it.
Hey, you think Dunn can move that, man?
Stranded. They had to stay forever.
They gotta stay forever. They're trapped. Ahorita los quitamos.
They can move it.
Who, them? Or, si la quieren menear, ahí tienen las llaves adentro, porfa. O si está Dani ahí, cualquiera la puede menear. Is Dani there?
Donnie.
Ahí tienen la llave si la gustan mover con confianza. Ahí déjela, ahí está bien. Gracias.
Lucas does not want to be under there if this drops on him.
Lucas, hazte para allá, no te vaya a caer la soldadura.
Give me 1 second. It'll burn his fucking face off.
How bad?
Bad. This shit's like 800 degrees.
Oh shit. Alójate de ahí, Lucas.
Alright, that's that. With water. Otherwise the acid will turn all this green and start trying to eat the copper. And it makes it look like shit. So I just wipe it off with water.